If you ever need a video, guys, where you need to explain to your spouse why you didn't hang up that picture frame or that tiny little hook, let this be the video to explain why you didn't do it. And the reason for that is I need to hang up this Buster sword, just 2 of these hooks, right? But I'm gonna need a gazillion amount of tools, and probably while I'm working at it, I'm going to forget some tools. I'm going to have to stop working at it, go to the garage, fetch that tool, fetch that piece of equipment, and then only to continue or to realize that I forgot just another thing. Hanging up a simple hook like this is a simple task, but it requires way too many tools. That's why sometimes we don't do it immediately. Okay, but without further ado, let's hang up this Buster sword. So the idea is to hang up this sword about here, right? I think that looks pretty cool. And because we have these holes, I want to use these hooks to go in one of these holes, like so. And then on the other side of the sword, I want one of these hooks to just be like this, right? To just support the sword. And the reason we can do that is because this won't budge. So that means it won't be able to slip out. If I were to hang it on the handle, like so, there is a possibility for it to slip. So yeah, we're not going to take our chances. We're going to secure it here and at the tip. And I think, like so, is going to be absolutely amazing. Nice! Okay, so that took us 21 minutes to hang the sword. Now all we gotta do is clean up. And we made a mess, so we need to clean up all the tools. Yeah, I think we successfully hung the Buster sword. The thing I was worried about the most was this being parallel to the window frame, and I think we did a very good job. So yeah, 20 minutes of labor, 5 minutes of cleanup, about 5 to 10 minutes of preparation. So you're looking at close to a small hour in order to hang 2 hooks. 2 hooks, guys. So yeah. If you want to see me build this sword, I have a video in the description below, but I'm thinking, hey, maybe 17 minutes is a bit long for a building video of a Buster sword. So if you want to see that video being shortened, please comment down below 5 or 10 minutes, depending on how long you want that video to be. And I will see how I can rework that 17-minute long video into a little bit more short form content so that it's easier for people to understand and there's not too much fluff, because I know your attention span is limited. So yeah, thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. I hope you got something out of it, and I hope you now can tell your spouse that yes, hanging up a hook is a lot of work, even though the final thing is not that big of a deal. So yeah, I guess I'll be seeing you all in the next video. Paisa!